Hello guys! Day 2 of our Boracay trip. So ngayon, papunta kami sa aming island hopping tour. So, it's just 5 minutes walk from our hotel. So this is at the backside. It's called Bolabog Beach. So lahat ng mag-island hopping, dito lahat magkikita-kita. So kung joiners or as a group kayo, you can be a group of 20, 30, or 40 people sa isang boat. So sa amin, nasa 25 lang kami. Bali, a combination siya ng different groups for the island tour. So 900 pesos for the regular island tour. Again, exclusion yung mga entrances doon sa different islands. May 350, may 200. And then for our group, we actually have decided to add yung helmet diving. So 900. On top of that, it's additional 600 pesos. So yan, bumili kami ng tinapay para sa mga fish. Importante siya pag nag-helmet diving or scuba diving or what, so that the fish will gonna get near at you guys para ma-enjoy nyo yung view underwater. So ito na kami. We're now trying to board yung barko or maliit na bangka for our group. So hindi siya aalis hanggang hindi kompleto, guys. So depende kung kanino kayo nakipagkontrata, no? So there's a lot of people who will offer you for island hopping activity. So you can haggle for the price. Make sure to check yung mga offers muna nila bago kayo mag-go, so you could get the best price for island hopping. Anyways, kasama na po pala yung aming lunch for the island hopping. May mga island hopping na hindi included yung lunch buffet, so make sure iklaruhin po natin. It would take 5 hours for this trip, so 9 up until 2 in the afternoon. So 5 hours po yun, nakakagutom yung activity. So importante na meron kayong baon kung wala kayong buffet lunch. But for our group, we decided to have an island hopping na kasama na yung buffet lunch. At sulit na sulit talaga siya, guys. Later you're gonna see kung ano yung mga pagkain na kasama doon sa aming buffet lunch, which we actually have enjoyed kasi meron doong hipon, merong pansit, merong barbecue. So you could actually go back. Pwede ka pa pabalik-balik kung hindi ka pa busog, 'di ba, sa isang round. So kung ikaw yung tipong taong malakas kumain, sulit na sulit talaga sa yung buffet, because kung kakain ka sa restaurant at mag-isa ka lang, it would take or it would cost you 500 pesos per head. So ito yung first island, Iligan Beach. So dito nagpa-braid kami. We decided to have our hair braided. 40 minutes lang yung binigay na time. So yung mga kasama namin nag-crystal kayak, while us nagpa-braid kami. So supposedly magki-crystal kayak din kami dito sa part na to, pero wala nang time since we need to move to another island. Iligan Beach. Next stop is Crystal. Ano to?
Crystal water.
Crystal Cove Island. Kaso dito, maharlik ka.
Maharlik kasi.
Ito sa Crystal Cove Resort na island. Meron siyang 350 na entrance pagpapasok mo. Pero pag dito lang sa shoreline, malilito, libre. Okay, that's another tip for those who are planning to visit and go island hopping here in Boracay. Yes, lunch time. So for the lunch, guys, included na dun sa 900 pesos island hopping, yung pinaka standard nila, yung lunch buffet.
Yes. We're gonna eat buffet lunch.
So looking forward kung ano ba yung mga putahe or dishes na kasama doon.
Ang ganda ng putahe, be.
Okay, so ito na nga yung most exciting part ng aming island hopping, yung lunch buffet na kasama doon sa 900. So, the menu, yung hipon, pansit, pritong daing na bangus, merong adobo at barbecue, may chop suey pa. So, again, unlimited yan, pwede kang magpabalik-balik. So, kung malakas ka kumain, sulit na sulit talaga yung lunch na kasama sa island hopping na to. Okay, yun na nga guys, after na masaganang lunch, shopping on the side, pampasalubong. So, additional tip, make sure na mag-canvas muna kayo. May mga lugar na mas mura yung mga pampasalubong, may mga lugar na mas mahal. So, more pictures. And then, last activity namin yung snorkeling. So, we just actually paid additional 100 pesos per head. And you can enjoy this activity. Okay, so, okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, guys.